All right, welcome to CAD tutorial number 1 for CAD drawing number 1. This will be a series that take you through your first 6 drawings and sketches. So this is our starting point. We've signed into Onshape and we need to create a new document. So we're doing the assignment, which is attached to Google Classroom for CAD and 3D printing drawing 1. We're drawing this shape. We're going to name it with the appropriate names, and then we're going to show you how to create a sketch and then a drawing from that sketch. And your scoring is down here, along with a couple of questions to answer about the drawing. So starting off in Onshape, we're going to create a new document. You're going to name this document last name underscore CAD underscore drawing underscore 1 through 6. So I'm going to put Ricky CAD drawing 1 through 6. Okay, say create. Once we get into this drawing, we want to start a new sketch. So we're going to select our sketch button here, and we want to start this sketch in our top plane. Once I've selected the plane we're working in, I want to view normal to that plane. So I want to click on my view cube up here in the top right corner and select top. So that moves it so we're focusing straight down at our top view. Right, the next command you're going to need to know how to use is our rectangle. This is the corner rectangle. There are several rectangle options, but for today we're going to use the corner rectangle. I'm going to click on the origin, X0, Y0, Z0, and drag out a box that's roughly the size of the box of the rectangle in the tutorial. Looking back, we can see that it's 5 inches wide and 3 inches tall. So I can see that when I hover over, it creates a box around our dimension. I'm going to type in 5 and enter. And then the next one is 3, enter. All right, so we have there our very basic drawing. This is going to start off basic. In each tutorial, we're going to learn some new skills and advance from there and get more in-depth and more complicated. So for this one, we're all good here. So just hitting the green check on the sketch to say we're done with that. All right, so from here, we need to create a drawing. So we're going to start by naming our part studio sketch 1. Hit enter, and then down here on this plus button, we can add, and we're going to create a drawing. This drawing we don't need 4 views for this because it's just a sketch, so we're going to say no views and say OK. Now we have our drawing sheet, and up here in our add box, so this is asking us what we want to add to our document. There is sketch 1 is already located in this box. If you don't click the green check box in your sketch, it won't pop in here. So you got to make sure that you do that. So I'm going to click on that, drag it somewhere in the middle, and drop it there. Good. Once we have this box here, we need to do a couple of things. We need to add 2 dimensions. It's really important that our dimensions are spaced evenly from our object lines and that they're centered. We want our dimensions to be nice and neat so there's no confusion with the drawing. And we want to make sure we have an extension line gap. So in here you'll see that there's these extension lines on our dimensions are not touching our object lines. So we're going to show you how to do that so that is as clear as possible. If they extend into the shape, it's really hard to tell what the shape is and what the dimensions are. Okay. So that's part of your scoring down here, is that all of our dimensions are included and that they're nice and neat. Okay. So in our sketch, we're going to come over here to the Dimension tab. We're going to click on our box and it snaps to the middle. Drop it there. Click on this box, snaps to the middle, drop it there. And then we need to add our note. We're going to click in here in our notes. We're going to put CAD drawing 1, stretch it out,